Hey guys, we received this Bidet Buddy portable Bidet for test and try. This is a Bidet Buddy's GoFlow model, and this is a high pressure travel Bidet with a 180 ml portable Bidet for travel. So this is a handheld Bidet. So let me just open the box and show it to you. So as you can see, this is the whole the Bidet thing. So this is for the storage or saving the space because there's two things inside. So let me just open, and this is a charging port. This is a bottle adapter that if you want to use any additional big bottle, manual and everything. So carrying case and a charging cable. So this is a manual, describes everything. So this one, you can see, you can just take this and rotate. So now this is becomes a full bided thing here that you can store in the water in the bottom, and then you can use this as a nozzle. So just take like you can take this nozzle, and nozzle will have also a angle that you can use a different angle with it. And here is the total thing. So there's a nozzle that you can arrange with the different angles. That's really helpful. Then there's a pressure and the water thing in here that you can control in. And then you can just put in the water in this, or you can use any additional big bottle with the supplied this water adapter. So you can just use this and put any other bottle on the top. So a nice thing to do and then to use, where like you can also store this and keep it very easily anywhere. So this is a soft case, or this cloth case comes with it, or you can have another case from their website that you can easily store that I show in the video, and then you can use. So I'm just charging this before using so that I can show it to you. So here's the charging adapter with the USB-C cable, and then just put in the USB. So here I would put in the adapter, and you can see it start charging. So you can see this light, it's just the blinking light, and then just wait for some time till it to fully charge. So it is now fully charged. Now it is not blinking anymore. So I'm just take this out, put in the water. So this Bidet is actually good in travel. If you don't have any paper stuff or things, you can easily use it. See, like the lights are on, and then you can easily control the flow. So I will just open the nozzle and then press the button to show you. So see, the pressure is good, and you can also have these different modes so that it will be easy to clean, and then you can just wipe it off. So very nice water bottle or any water adapter with a USB-C port, nice to clean, different angles that you can use for washing and cleaning, jet spray, and the pressure modes. So the different pressure modes with the angles is really helpful. And after 60 seconds, it will auto shut off. So there are three speeds: soft, medium, and high with the spray thing, and then also a really nice construction that you can easily wipe and clean up. For storage also, you can easily store it with the the inside thing. Overall, my impression is good for this Bidet because this have a different angle and you can store this. And these are different like the angle thing. So you can of course make a little distance while cleaning this. So there will be more hygiene and less, the issues with that. And yeah, the flow is also there, so it can easily control the flow. So this one is much better options, I will say, and then much better design than the other things. And as you can see, the pressure on the hands is not like that much really bad, and it's much better and clean up the stuff. So this is a nice travel thing, and you can just close and store and go.